Okay, in this time let's go to again this icon, pen tool, and for now let's choose color red. This let's add one here, here, and here, and hold Alt, make smooth, and also here hold Alt, make smooth, and here make smooth lines, and this part let's hold Alt, make smooth line, and that's all. Let's write here 15 and hold Control, change this curve and color also black. And in this time let's create new layer, or let's select the shape layer, go to brush tool, click here, click OK, and stroke width 15 and hold shift. Let's change color before black, or hold Alt, choose with eyedropper, and hold shift, move to right for these lines. Okay, and also here, let's see, and here, and let's one here. Hold shift, create one line, and again hold shift, create line like this. Nice. Move to left this and create new layer, and this shape layer let's add name pencil, and this color. Move to behind of pencil and go to brush tool, hold Alt, choose color, create colors like this. Here let's choose color, let's use pink. Nice, and choose dark red for shadow, change brush size. Okay, and here let's choose color green and use green here, also dark green for shadow, and let's try to blue. Go to again color, choose to dark blue, and also shadow line. So let's hold Alt, choose yellow and color dark yellow and add shadow. Another one here and also here. Okay, that's good. And also I forgot to add this line. Let's choose color and brush size 15, add like this. Okay, and color again, let's choose brush, choose color like this, and okay, and for shadow color and black like this, also shadow. So select this layer 2, delete, and color pencil, right click and convert to smart object, change size. Okay, so back to After Effects,